Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya wal mursaleen. Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. An Abi Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu qala qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam inna Allah ta'ala azza wa jalla yaqulu yawm al-qiyamati ya ibna Adama maristu falam ta'udni قال يا رب وكيف أعوذ بك وأنت رب العالمين قال أما علمت أن عبدي فلانا مرض فلم تعده أما علمت أنك لو عدته لوجدتني عنده يا ابن آدم استطعمتك فلم تطعمني قال يا رب وكيف أطعمك وأنت رب العالمين أما علمت أنك لو أطعمته لوجدت ذلك عندي يا ابن آدم استسقيتك فلم تسقني قال يا رب كيف أسقيك وأنت رب العالمين قال أما علمت أنه استسقاك عبدي فلان ولم تسقه أما علمت أنك لو سقيته لوجدت ذلك عندي. On the authority of Abu Hurairah, may God be pleased with him, he reported the Messenger of Allah, may peace and mercy of Allah be upon him, as saying, Allah, the glorious, the exalted, would say at the day of resurrection, O son of Adam, I was sick, but you did not visit me. He would say, My Lord, how could I visit thee, because thou art the Lord of the world? He would say, Did you not know that such and such slave of mine was sick, but you did not visit him? If you had visited him, then you would have found me with him. O son of Adam, I asked food from you, but you did not provide me. He would say, My Lord, how could I provide thee, because thou art the Lord of the world? He would say, Did you not know that such and such slave of mine asked food from you, but you did not feed him? If you had fed him, you would have found it with me. O son of Adam, I asked drink from you, but you did not provide me. He would say, My Lord, how could I drink thee, because thou art the Lord of the worlds? He would say, Did you not know that such and such servant of mine asked drink from you, but you did not drink him? If you had drink him, then you would have found him with me. Respected viewers, this hadith reveals the importance of visiting the sick, feeding the hungry, and drink the thirsty. You can see the importance of this hadith, that Allah Almighty, as being a mankind, asked from a Muslim that you did not visit to him and feed to him and drink to him. It is necessary that we should visit the sick and feed the hungry and drink the thirsty, so that Allah Almighty give us the great reward at the day of resurrection, and should make us enter the paradise. Ameen. Huma alayna إلى البلاغ المبين.